Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress with Godaddy. Getting your website online is simpler than you might think. We'll start by guiding you through the initial setup process for your WordPress hosting account. Godaddy's managed WordPress offers a streamlined experience, handling many technical aspects for you. This allows you to focus on creating great content and building your online presence right from the start. Once WordPress is installed, your dashboard becomes your command center. We'll walk through its key areas, showing you where to find everything. You'll learn to effortlessly create new pages and engaging blog posts, adding your unique content. We'll also touch upon customizing your site's look and feel, ensuring it reflects your brand. It's all about making your website truly yours. Themes are the visual foundation of your WordPress site, giving it a unique style. We'll show you how to select and install one that perfectly fits your vision. Then, we'll dive into plugins, which add powerful features like contact forms or security enhancements. Understanding how to manage and update these elements is crucial for a dynamic and secure website. Godaddy provides several integrated tools to simplify your WordPress experience, from backups to staging environments. We'll highlight how to leverage these for better control. Additionally, we'll cover essential maintenance tips, like keeping your software updated and performing regular checks. Implementing basic security practices is also vital to protect your hard work and ensure your website runs smoothly for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.